Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Kaspa on Kucoin. For that, you will have to launch your Kucoin mobile application and then you need to tap on the search bar in the top, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for Kaspa. Now once you type Kaspa in the search bar, in the spot you are going to see Kas token and the bunch of different pairs associated with it, such as Kas.USDT, such as Kas/USDT, Kas/BTC, and much more. But as we want to purchase Kaspa using USDT, you will have to tap on the pair of Kas/USDT. Now over here you are going to see the option of buy in the bottom. So you need to tap on buy and then you will be landed on this type of page. Now over here in the limit order, you are going to see its current price. So if you want to purchase Kaspa on its current price, then you will have to enter the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase Kaspa. After that, you will have to tap on the buy button over here and then your order will be placed, and you can view your order history by tapping on the order history. Or if you want to view your Kaspa coin, then you need to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and this is how you can easily buy Kaspa on Kucoin. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.